Hi friends. Welcome back to Trend AI today. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are discuss about the ultimate guide to creating AI avatars and building an AI-powered online business. The future of content creation is here. Gone are the days when you needed expensive recording studios or high-end cameras to create professional-looking videos. In fact, you don't even need to be on camera anymore. Thanks to cutting-edge AI technology, you can now create an AI avatar that looks and sounds just like you with just a few clicks. Imagine launching an entire online business with AI doing the heavy lifting for you. From content creation to customer engagement, AI can streamline everything. But where do you start? What tools do you need? And how can you make it all work seamlessly? Stay tuned. I am Dr. Naeem. In this video, I'll walk you through the full workflow of creating your AI avatar, making it talk, and integrating it into your online business. Share this video within your social circle and close friends to let them know the secret of your success on YouTube. Subscribe Trend AI today so that you will get the future notifications of our exiting videos. So friends, let's dive in. Step 1. Choosing the right AI avatar tool. The backbone of this entire process is an AI-powered tool called DubDub. This platform lets you create ultra-realistic AI avatars that can speak in any language with stunning accuracy. First things first, head over to DubDub, link in the description below. Once you're there, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up using your email, or for an even faster setup, just log in with your Google account. Step 2. Creating your AI avatar. Choosing the right avatar type. DubDub offers 3 different types of AI avatars, and picking the right one is key to achieving your desired results. Photo avatar. Upload a static image and transform it into a speaking AI character. Gesture avatar. Choose an avatar with pre-built hand movements and expressions for a more dynamic feel. Multi-character avatar. Create dialogue-based videos with multiple AI characters interacting with each other. For this tutorial, let's start with a photo avatar. How to create a photo avatar. Click on AI avatar in the menu and select photo avatar. You can either choose a character from DubDub's library or upload a photo of yourself. If uploading your own photo, make sure it's front-facing, well-lit, and without obstructions like hair covering your face. Once uploaded, DubDub will map your face onto the AI avatar, preserving natural expressions and movements. Click Change Background and select Green Screen for more flexible video editing options. Step 3. Giving your AI avatar a voice. Now that we have a visual avatar, it's time to make it talk. There are 2 options here. Use DubDub's AI-generated voices. Choose from over 100 high-quality voice options. Clone your own voice. Provide a 1-minute voice sample, and DubDub will replicate your voice with amazing accuracy. Question is that how to choose the perfect AI voice. When selecting an AI voice, don't just pick any random option. Focus on emotion and tone. A friendly tone works best for YouTube videos. A professional tone is ideal for business content. An excited tone is great for promotional material. Adjust the speaking rate slightly to make the voice sound more natural and engaging. Click Generate Talking Avatar, and within minutes, your AI-powered video will be ready. Step 4. Enhancing engagement with gesture avatars. Static avatars are great, but gesture avatars take things to the next level by adding hand movements, natural expressions, and body language. Click on Gesture Avatar and select a character that fits your content style. Business and educational content work well with office settings, while casual topics look better with relaxed home settings. Paste your script into the dialog box, and the AI will sync gestures and expressions automatically. This is one of the main reasons AI-generated videos perform so well. Natural body language keeps viewers engaged and entertained. Step 5. Creating multi-character conversations. Want to create dialogue-based videos with multiple characters? DubDub makes this effortless. Select multi-character avatar mode. Pick a template with 2 or more characters. Enter separate dialogue for each character in the provided text boxes. DubDub automatically syncs lip movements and voice tones to match the conversation flow. Once generated, trim any delays in editing software like CapCut to ensure smooth interaction between the characters. Step 6. Editing and enhancing your AI video. Your AI-generated video is now ready, but let's add some final touches to make it look professional. Adding subtitles. Open CapCut or any video editor. Click Text Auto Captions to generate subtitles automatically. Select a modern subtitle style and adjust the font size for readability. Adding sound effects and music. Click on Audio Library And add subtle background music. Use sound effects at key moments to enhance engagement. Removing green screen background in CapCut. Select Chroma key. Click on the green area and adjust intensity to remove the background seamlessly. Replace it with any setting you prefer. Step 7. Publishing and monetizing your AI content. Now that your video is polished, it's time to publish and monetize it. Upload to YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. AI avatars are trending, and these platforms love fresh, innovative content. Promote affiliate links. Add DubDub's referral link in your description to earn commissions. Offer AI content services. Use your skills to create AI videos for businesses and entrepreneurs. Friends with AI-powered avatars. Anyone can create high-quality, engaging videos without being on camera. Whether you're building an online business, starting a YouTube channel, or creating content for clients, DubDub makes the process easy, fast, and affordable. So, are you ready to revolutionize the way you create content? Click the link in the description to try DubDub for yourself. And don't forget subscribe Trend A today, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest AI trends and content creation hacks.